This is another set for the evening session. Recently completed their certificates and have successfully passed the final exams in malaria and pregnancy, which their certificates will be ready very soon. And they also scored about 92% out of 26 questions, which among them we have Hajar Brown, we have Muhammad Bairo, Saleh Musa Saidu, we have Hashim Sanda Muhammad, we also have Usman Adam Usman, we have Nasir Muhammad Isa, we have Sagiru Saidu Muhammad, we have Kamilu Audu, we also have Ibrahim Kabiru, and also we have Abdul Rashid Haruna, we have Ahmed Shafiu, we also have Bashir Abubakar Bello, Khalid Umar, we have Yusuf Abdullahi, and as well Jamila Abubakar Adamu and Aisha Kallamu Ibrahim. These are the candidates or participants who successfully finished their malaria in pregnancy course today, and this is their results. They only failed 2 questions during the final qualifying exams, which they will be awarded with a certificate on malaria in pregnancy. I remain Nurse Fashkar, who is the facilitator for this particular course, malaria and pregnancy, from Global Health E-Learning Center under Fashkar Tutorial Class. Thank you for your participation. Till we meet next certificate. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Good day all. So